Pollution, an action that threatens all human life. Pollution is seen heaviest in three major areas: soil, water, and air. Of these, water pollution is probably the most immediate threat. The UN estimates 75% of the Earth is covered in water. 97% is oceans and 2.5% is freshwater. 70% of the freshwater is divided into glaciers and ice caps, and out of the remaining 30% due to depth or pollution, only 1% is usable immediately for humans. The numbers may not be adding up for the human population, however, through industrial cutbacks and green activists, there is a difference being made. In Britain, students at London College have a solution to oceanic debris free-floating and non-source point pollution. Non-point pollution has no discernible source. They derive the usage of circular movement to collect the waste free-floating by a series of arms with nets to capture it. This, however, is only half the solution. Debris can be cleaned through methods such as the above, but chemical runoff and source pollution from industries remains high. Source pollution is pollution that has a discernible source. Industries need to dump less hazardous waste into our water systems and onto our land. By regulating our industries, we might be able to clean enough water to fix or diminish the effects of drought, waterborne disease, ecosystem loss, habitat loss, and to preserve our quickest fading natural resource. 3 ways we can reduce the pollution in the oceans and waterways is by using reusable bags or non-plastic bags, as they quickly create debris. The second way is to use rain barrels to collect water for later usage, and the third way is to use reusable water bottles to cut down on plastics used and littered.
Air pollution is a serious problem faced today with the rise of industrial work, emissions, and common household items. Any chemical compound that lowers the air quality and disperses into the atmosphere is considered an air pollutant. Air pollution is found in the form of particles and gas. The main air pollutants are sulfuric oxide, nitrous oxide, carbon monoxide, particulate matter, and VOCs. Air pollution not only harms our respiratory health, but outside it can harm vegetation and aquatic life through the formation of acid rain from sulfuric and nitrous oxides. Here are a few ways that you can help reduce air pollution. 1. Carpooling. This reduces carbon emissions and saves you on gas. 2. Planting shade trees. These will help reduce your cooling bills in the summer and provide the world with oxygen. 3. Buy homegrown or local produce. This drastically reduces the carbon footprint from transportation and packaging.
This leads us to our final topic, soil. Soil is often referred to as ground, dirt, or mud, but is actually very important. We use soil to produce crops that feed us as well as livestock. Soil is, however, constantly polluted and contaminated by agricultural practices in everyday life. Overuse of pesticides and herbicides can contaminate the soil, make it unusable or unsuitable for agricultural pursuits. Everyday life, we produce large amounts of trash that ends up in landfills and on surface soil. We can reduce both of these problems by using simple practices. Instead of using harmful pesticides and herbicides, we can use natural pest management, such as introducing natural pest predators. We can also try recycling our paper, plastic, and metals. By recycling these items every day, we can cut back on the amount that we use that goes into landfills and then winds up on the surface as natural litter. This will conclude our video. We hope you have learned something and have a good day or night.